Again, sa B, marami tayong makikita sa loob. Pero hindi ibig sabihin, sa isa lang ay kailangan mong punuin. Hindi. So, pwedeng paghati-hatiin mo hanggang makuha mo yung 50 points doon sa letter B. Okay. Letter B, service to the community. Ito yung extension na talaga. Yung kanina kasi partnership pa lang yun. Ito, service to community. This refers to the technical, professional, expert services rendered by the faculty to the community. The term community can be broadly defined to include, among others, pwedeng academic community, pwedeng professional community, or pwedeng geographic community. So marami po tayong definition for community. Ito pinakamadali. Meron po ba ditong accreditor ng AACO? AACO accreditor. Ayun, may si sir, 1, 2, 3, 4. Ayan. Pag AACO accreditor ka, matik may 8 points ka na. ARQUAT. ARQUAT. Member ng ARQUAT. Wala. ISO. Teka lang, linawin natin yun sa ISO. Ang ISO, meron lang points kapag ikaw ay nag-accredit sa iba. Pero kapag internal auditor ka, wala po yun. Pero ikaw ay accredited ISO accreditor or auditor na invite ka mag-accredit sa iba. Yun. Member ng PACU-COA. Yan. Pagka meron ka membership doon, yan. Services rendered in accreditation, evaluation, assessment works, and other related educational quality assurance activities. So local, 8 points, international, 10. Okay. For the purpose of this guideline, engagement is defined as the appointment and deployment of faculty for accreditation, evaluation or assessment work by recognized agency, organization within the evaluation period. Points will be earned for every agency. Halimbawa, AACO accreditor ka, kahit 10 beses ka lumabas for this cycle, 8 ka lang. Kasi ang binibilang yung organization, hindi yung bilang ng paglabas or pag-accredit. Ang binibilang yung organization. Okay? Kaya kung ARQUAT ka, sa CHED yun, may 8 ka. Ikaw ay AACO, may 8 ka uli. PACU-COA, na-invite ka pa, so may 8 ka pa rin. Pwede po yun, 8, 8, 8 yun. Okay, so meron kang 24 na doon. Doon pa lang 24 ka na kung may 3 ka. Kung meron kang AACO at ikaw ay ARQUAT, may 16 ka na. 16 na yung nabawas sa 50 mo. Mahirap kasi sa international eh. Mahirap maghanap yan eh. Kaya doon ako sa local nag-focus. For national government agencies in the Philippines, the engagement of the faculty with the national or central office shall be counted separately. Halimbawa, 2 klase po ang ARQUAT. May ARQUAT ka ng regional, may ARQUAT ng national. So magkaiba pong points yun. Halimbawa, kapag ikaw ay nag-ARQUAT for a graduate school, ang nag-i-invite niya central office, hindi ang region. So, yun lang, 2 ka na kagad. Kung na-invite ka doon, tapos na-invite ka pa ng region, may 16 ka na. May aakop ka pa, may 1 ka pa. So, ito yung pinakamadali. Ang kailangan lang, copy of appointment from the organization or agency, or yung letter na pinadala na ini-invite ka. Then, copy of proof of engagement, alin yun? Yung certificate of appearance or certificate of appreciation. Yun yung proof of engagement mo. And then, copy of authorization from the President to participate in the activity. Mayroon na pong form yan ang quality assurance na nakapirma si President doon. Or, kung wala ka noon, PO, pwede po. Kasi yung travel order mo ay nagpapatunay na pinapayagan ka. So, yun lang. PO, appointment, certificate of appreciation. May 8 or 10 ka na. That is B.1. B.1.2. Eto, may IC Best tayo padating. Di ba? May IC Best tayo. Pag na-invite kayo magkaroon ng ano dyan, maging judge, examiner, no? Or ano ba tawag pa natin dyan? Yun, yung mga nagja-judge ng mga best paper, di ba na-invite kayo? Minsan ka pa nag-present ka ng paper within that organization, na-invite ka na maging panel para mamili ng best paper, best oral presenter. Ayun, ipunin nyo yung certificate kasi may points yun. For every, as a research award or academic competition. Okay, academic competition. Ngayon meron tayong, yung dito gaganapin sa atin? Kaso. Ayan, pwede yun. Academic competition yun. Pwede ka po doon kung na-invite ka doon as judge. Ayan. Okay? Only those academic competitions sponsored by international organization, national government agencies, recognized accredited private organization, including private corporations, non-government organization, established professional organization with national membership, or those organized by a group of schools shall be considered in the awarding of these points. Academic competition and research award organized by the SUC, kapag sa atin, shall not be considered. Halimbawa yung in-house. Sa in-house review natin, wala po yun. Okay, kailangan mag-invite sa'yo other SUC. Meron yon. Pero pag within our SUC, lahat po kasi ng internal, wala. Wala po points yun. Okay, ano ang kailangan? Copy of the official invitation. Yung letter na ini-invite ka. Number 2, proof of engagement. Ano ulit ang proof of engagement? Yung certificate mo na ikaw ay nag-judge. Copy of profile of the organization or organizer. Minsan, downloadable yan. Nakikita lang yan sa website nila. Yung profile nila. Then, authorization from the president. So, kung nag-travel ka, TO. Kung wala naman, kahit yung letter of invitation, yung copy of official invitation, tapos nilagyan ng note ni president, please attend to this. Yun na yun. I-highlight mo lang, kulayan mo. Yun na yung copy ng authorization mo na ino-authorize ka ng president to attend. So, meron ka na points yan. Research award, pag sa research award, ang invitation mo, 2 points. Academic competition, 1 point. Okay. Services rendered as a short-term consultant, expert in an activity sponsored by a private organization or government. Naging consultant ka, local 8 points, international 10. Okay? This includes services as editor, ayan, meron kayo niyan, peer reviewer, na-invite kayo niyan, statistician, evaluators of proposal. Yung adjunct faculty, hindi yung nagtuturo sa GS natin, ha. Adjunct faculty, ako, na-invite ako na magturo sa iba, yung legal, ano? In-invite nila ako magturo sa iba, ako yung adjunct faculty nila. Kasi sa atin kasi ang tawag natin kapag nagtuturo ka sa grad school mo ay adjunct faculty rin, di ba? So hindi yon, yung ibang adjunct faculty definition natin dyan. Technical expert, technical panel, technical committee, task force, technical working group, or TWG, member ka lang, may points ka na dyan. Of government agencies among others. Okay, ano yung kailangan? Evidence as short-term consultant. Pwedeng contract of service or appointment or its equivalent. Or copy of official invitation. Usually, ito yung pinapadala sa inyo. Ini-invite ka na maging peer reviewer. Magre-review ka ng isang article para ipapublish. Ayan, yung letter na yun, tago nyo. Evidence of engagement, copy of certificate of appreciation, or copy of project report. So, or yun, isa lang ang kailangan mo dyan. So, pinaka-safe na yung certificate of appreciation na lang. At least 1 page lang yung i-scan mo. And copy of authorization from the president. So, 3 lang, letter of invitation, then yung copy ng certificate mo, and then authorization from the president. Minsan yung authorization from the president sa email, isasubmit sa'yo na please attend to this. Yan, pwede na yun, piprint mo lang yung email na yun. It's one way of saying na ino-authorize ka na ni president. Minsan si BPAA yung nagpo-forward nun eh. Please attend to this. So, yun na yung number 3 mo. Or gusto mo naman, para maging formal, natanggap mo na yung please attend to this, gawa ka ng letter. Address to the president na nagpapaalam ka na humihingi ka ng authorization. So, i-approve naman yun ni press kasi siya na nga yung nagpadala sa iyo na please attend to this eh. Para meron ka lang ng document. Okay po tayo. Next. Services through media. Yan, si sir, may question yata.
Hello po. Per project po ba yun o per punta mo dun sa...
Per project, sir.
Okay.
per
So,
project.
for example, pumunta ka doon ng, let's say, multiple times, pero iba-ibang speaking engagement. Okay.
Iba-ibang points po yun.
Iba-ibang.
Apo.
Okay. Kahit same place?
Apo.
Tama po.
Per engagement po ito. Okay, services through as media.